Welcome. Today we're diving into a situation that genuinely demands our attention. One that involves Markiplier and a series of actions so deeply troubling that they cannot simply be ignored or brushed aside. This isn't the kind of topic people talk about for entertainment, drama, or shock value. This is something that carries real weight, and it deserves to be handled with seriousness and clarity. It's important to understand that when someone has influence, when they have an audience, a platform, and the power to shape opinions, their decisions don't exist in a vacuum. Every choice they make has consequences, and in this case the consequences were significant. What happened wasn't just a small mistake or a harmless misunderstanding. It was something far more severe, something that crossed boundaries and caused harm in ways that many people still remember. Now, the purpose of discussing this story isn't to spread hatred or to dwell endlessly on negativity. It's not about fueling outrage or attacking someone for the sake of attention. The reason we're bringing this up is because these events matter. They affected people. They left a lasting impression. And whether someone supports him or not, it's important to recognize that accountability is not optional, especially when your actions impact others. What makes this situation even more serious is how it reflects a bigger issue. The way some individuals, especially public figures, may believe their fame excuses them from consequences. But it doesn't. Influence comes with responsibility, and ethical behavior should never be treated as a suggestion. When those standards are ignored, it sets a dangerous example, and it becomes easier for harmful behavior to repeat itself, whether by the same person or by others who believe they can get away with the same choices. This story serves as a reminder that we should never blindly excuse wrongdoing, no matter who the person is. Respect, integrity, and accountability should apply equally to everyone. And when something crosses the line, it's our responsibility to acknowledge it, understand it, and ensure that the harm is not forgotten or dismissed. By discussing this, we're not trying to tear someone down, we're trying to shine light on what happened so we can learn from it, so we can recognize the warning signs, so we can encourage a future where people are more careful, more responsible, and more aware of the damage their actions can cause. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. And most importantly, thank you for taking part in a conversation that isn't always easy, but is absolutely necessary.